Condensing tankless water heaters have become increasingly popular, but with all the options springing up on the market, which one provides the best value? Our experts have researched and reviewed the 5 top-rated tankless condensing water heaters. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best option and get the hot water flowing. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall is the Rinnai RU199IN condensing tankless water heater. The size of a small suitcase, the super high-efficiency tankless condensing water heater from Rinnai surely packs a punch with features that make it one of the most sought-after water heaters in the world. Designed specifically for the indoors, this Rinnai condensing tankless water heater guarantees to give you an endless supply of hot water with a maximum of 199,000 BTU output, yet it's one of the quietest systems on the market. You get access to instant hot water whenever you need it, thanks to its Circ Logic technology that, when paired with an external pump, reduces wait time for hot water even further. With a powerful 11 GPM flow rate, it ensures consistent water flow for the entire household, even if you're using multiple showers or appliances at once. This system will work for up to 7 fixtures in your house. The best part about the Rinnai tankless condensing water heater is that it has a 96% energy factor, making it ultra energy efficient, so you don't need to worry about those high energy and water costs again. Lastly, it's designed to last twice as long as regular heaters, and each heater is individually tested before being shipped out to your home. You get a 15-year warranty, and the kit includes all the valves you need for seamless installation. The pros are its endless hot water supply with a 199,000 BTU rating. It's ultra energy efficient with 0.96 energy factor. It's designed to fit into small spaces, and it lasts twice as long as traditional water heaters, up to 20 years. The cons are it does have a slightly more premium price for the efficiency, and it may require professional installation help. Next is our close runner-up, the Takagi TH3 DVN condensing high-efficiency natural gas tankless water heater. Designed for heavy-duty use, this Energy Star qualified water heater features a primary heat exchanger made of commercial-grade copper alloy, which has been proven to offer 25 times better heat transfer than stainless steel. In terms of functionality, the Takagi water heater can supply hot water for up to 4 appliances in warmer climates and 3 appliances in cooler climates with a gas input of 199,000 BTU. And you don't have to worry about a drop in water pressure because this unit can support a flow rate of 10 gallons per minute. With a uniform energy factor of 0.93, the Takagi condensing tankless water heater is one of the most efficient on the market. Additionally, it's one of the few condensing units certified for ultra-low nitrogen oxide emissions. But we especially like some of the safety features included that protect against power surges, freezing, overheating, and there's no need for a pilot light. When it's time for maintenance, troubleshooting is made simple because the display generates diagnostic codes. Best of all, since Takagi is built to last with premium components, it comes with a 15-year warranty on the heat exchanger and a 5-year warranty on the rest of the parts. The pros are it has a 199,000 BTU gas input, the copper alloy primary heat exchanger, the ultra-high efficiency with a 93% energy factor, and it's compliant with ultra-low nitrogen oxide regulations. The cons are that the flow rate is slightly lower than the Rinnai, and it may require professional installation. Next is the best option for small and medium homes, the Noritz NRC66 DVNG Indoor Condensing Direct Tankless Hot Water Heater. At less than 40 pounds, it's safe to say that the Noritz Tankless Condensing Water Heater is one of the most compact options on this list. But even if it's light and small, this water heater is capable of delivering a flow rate of up to 6.5 gallons per minute with a 110,000 BTU gas input. It's also designed to prevent leaks, and the installation process is pretty straightforward, although hiring a plumber is still highly recommended. The Noritz tankless condensing water heater is mostly known for being one of the most energy-efficient water heaters on the market in terms of energy and water use. In fact, it can help you reduce your annual energy cost by up to 60%, which is a huge savings, especially compared to an old tank-based heater. With this water heater, you get a built-in controller that allows you to schedule operations whenever you need it, and its high-quality heat exchanger technology ensures that you have access to hot water at any time. What makes this condensing tankless water heater unique is its versatility, because it can be used with different types of fittings like PVC, PP, and CPVS piping. Aside from offering various options when it comes to venting, You also get different adapters and terminations with the Noritz water heater, making it worth the investment. The pros are its large 110,000 max BTU, the versatility in terms of venting operations and accessories, it's ENERGY STAR qualified, and it operates quietly and cuts down on energy and water use. The cons are that you need to purchase an installation kit separately, and it may require a plumber for installation. Also, the flow rate is best suited for a medium or small home. Next is the best budget option, the RHEEM RTGH 95 DVL NO2 high-efficiency natural gas condensing tankless water heater. If you're looking for a tankless condensing water heater that ensures efficiency in your household, but you're on a tighter budget, the RHEEM will surely fit the bill. With the flow rate of 9.5 gallons per minute, you're guaranteed a consistent hot water supply even when there's high demand in your household. And the 199,900 BTU gas input ensures it can handle homes with up to 4 bathrooms. This ENERGY STAR rated water heater also has up to 0.93 efficiency factor and comes with a built-in condensate neutralizer. After you install the RHEEM tankless water heater, you can save up to 1,100 gallons of water per year with the water savings setting, since this heater decreases the water flow through your pipes until the ideal temperature of water is achieved. The condensing tankless water heater is also recirculation pump kit ready, so you won't have to wait for hot water to reach your tap and increase your water savings. It also features exclusive hot start programming, which allows the unit to be in a ready fire state and minimize cold water bursts. In terms of safety, the RHEEM tankless water heater meets all nitrogen emission safety requirements. It also features the industry-leading freeze protection of up to -30 degrees Fahrenheit and an overheat film wrap. The pros are its very high 199,900 BTU gas input. It has a strong 9.5 gallon per minute flow rate, saves up to 1,100 gallons of water per year, and a 93% efficiency factor. The cons are an additional Wi-Fi kit is sold separately, and it likely will require professional installation help. Next is the best outdoor option, the Rinnai RU98EN Outdoor Condensing Tankless Natural Gas Water Heater. With a maximum BTU of 199,000 BTU, the Rinnai Condensing Tankless Water Heater features the brand's signature Circ Logic technology that allows for an external pump to operate at preset intervals for maximum efficiency and optimum energy savings. This unit can supply consistent hot water to multiple bathrooms without any problems, even in high-demand situations, with its 9.8 gallon per minute flow rate. With its focus on emissions, the ENERGY STAR rated water heater also meets both California and Texas nitrogen oxide emissions standards, and is compliant with the South Coast Air Quality Management District emission levels. In terms of energy consumption, the Rinnai has a 0.93 efficiency factor. It also includes features like enhanced scale detection that reduces the possibility of long-term damage to the unit. It also has different venting options and U-Bink concentric to twin pipe adapter for easy installation, and a temperature lock function that protects the unit from unauthorized changes to your water temperature that could result in accidental burns. This condensing tankless water heater may be bigger than the other units on this list, but it's still more compact than having a storage tank with your heater. Best of all, it includes a long 12-year warranty on the heat exchanger. The pros are its 199,000 BTU gas input, the Circ Logic technology for water efficiency and energy savings, the max energy efficiency factor of 0.93, its enhanced scale detection and temperature lock function, and the outdoor installation. The cons are that installation can be difficult, and it does not include a circulation pump. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.